A lot of people have asked if an ultraviolet light clarifier would be a good investment to keep their cold plunge water clean. So let's try one out. This is a pond clarifier that a buddy of mine was no longer using. Most models are similar to this one. You can see the UV light inside. UVC radiation is harmful to the eyes and skin, even in small doses, so I'm not looking at the light during the recording of this video. There are warnings in several languages on the unit. Water comes in this side, flows around the UV light, and then back out this side. And now let's take a look inside. Here's the UV bulb. I found a replacement at Menards for about $9. And here's the quartz sleeve that protects the bulb and allows water to flow around it. There's a safety switch that won't allow power to the bulb unless it's seated tightly into the waterproof cap like this. And the housing is basically just an open tunnel. I'll go ahead and reassemble it. An O-ring seals the quartz sleeve inside. And as I finish screwing it together, the safety switch clicks and power can again flow to the UV bulb. The hose adapters are stepped to allow for different size hoses. The smallest is a little loose, but it'll be a stretch to fit it over the middle adapter, so here's a tip to make that easier. Place the end of the tubing in a cup of hot water and let it sit a couple of minutes. Then take the tubing out. It'll be a lot softer now. You can also use a couple small wrenches and stretch the opening a little. Then add a hose clamp and slide the hose over the adapter. Make sure it covers at least a couple of the barbs. You can use a screwdriver to tighten the hose clamp, but it's kind of a pain to keep it in place. A lot of multi-bit screwdrivers will fit directly onto the hose clamps like this. It makes it a lot easier, and you'll repeat this process for the other hose. Here's the working clarifier attached to my cold plunge hoses. As water runs through the clarifier, the UV light should help eliminate algae, bacteria, and other germs. It's plugged into a smart plug with the pump and the ozone generator because I always plan to run them together. The freezer has its own smart plug, and I have an additional video on this channel that explains how they work. Always unplug or cut any power to the cold plunge before using it. The water's looking pretty good now. Normally, if only one person's using my cold plunge, I can go a few weeks without changing the water. We'll see if this makes a difference. Thanks for taking a moment out of your busy schedule to watch my videos. I'll keep you posted on how the UV clarifier is working with a follow-up video soon. Please subscribe to stay updated and share this channel with others.